don't know what I'm talking about, but...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? Today we're going to be doing a video on unboxing the Boxycharm Box today. So yeah, I get this every month. I just get the base box. There's 3 different tiers. There's the base box, there is the premium, and then there is also the luxe. The luxe comes every 3 months, so about every season. It's an upgrade from your base box. This one is going to be $25-ish a month. With obviously with tax, it's a little bit more, but so I have the Boxycharm base box for April of 2020. So yeah, I think let's just go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so when you open the box, this is what we're looking at. Got some little foam in there, and then we've got some cards explaining like what we've got. Looks like first thing we have is like a little like coupon for 20% off of a makeup eraser. So yeah, so those are like the I wonder if we have one in here. Oh, we did get one in here. So yeah, these are just like a little makeup remover cloth where you just need water and then you take off all your makeup with that without any like oil or cleanser or whatever. I always cleanse afterwards because that's not getting all the makeup off to begin with, but anyway, we'll get into that more once we open it. And then obviously you get your little card with like some information on it. Looks like it's festival vibes this month. First thing we have in the box is going to be the makeup eraser, and this is in the sunset version collection. I don't know. Let's open it. Oh, that's cute. So this is what it looks like. Different colors and everything like that. I do use one pretty often. I do already have another one backup, so this is necessary for me, but I definitely will get use out of it, so I'm not mad about that. So that is the first thing in the box. Next thing we have in the box is a Benefit product, but it is opened. The box is open. That's a little weird. This is the Benefit Professional. This is like a basic pore filling primer. I really honestly don't like this very much. I think that my mom actually likes this, so I might actually just like hand this right on over to her and see if she'll get any use out of it. But I'm kind of concerned that it was opened. Okay, well it's still sealed, so that's good. So nothing to worry about there, as long as the box was the only thing that was tampered with. But next thing we have in the box is going to be the Elemis Superfood
Sika? I hope I'm pronouncing that right.
Sika Calm Cleansing Foam. It's a calming micellar cleanser. That's intriguing. I actually have a couple Elemis products and I've tried it from Boxycharm, and I have liked what I've tried. There's a couple more things. I have some skincare up at the top here, and some of it I have tried, some of it I have not tried. So yeah, but I am definitely intrigued to try this. It's just that I'm going through cleansers right now, so this isn't going to be, first priority to use. So not necessarily my favorite box right now, and I'm looking in the box more, and it's not getting a whole lot better. Okay, so next thing we have in the box is the Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Original. Just looks like that, which this looks really pretty. It looks a little scuffed, but... Well, since I used to work at Sephora and we used to get a lot of returns, I know when things have been open and when things have been used. This, let me get this to focus. I don't know if you're able to see that, but it is gunked all around there. This is the first time of me opening it. And then, I don't know if you can see up at the top, there's like stuff inside the rim there. That doesn't make me feel super sanitary or safe and whatnot. I mean, this is just going to go on your face, which is fine. And I think that it probably would be fine if I like cleaned it up, but it's like it's like suspended in a liquid. So if this touched someone's face or hand or wherever, it's going to be contaminated. You know what I'm saying? Like, because it's suspended in a liquid. So it's not like I can, like, sanitize the whole thing inside here. So that makes me a little concerned. So I might not be using this. And especially with everything going on in the world right now, that's not ideal. That's not ideal regardless. So that's absolutely a disappointment. Because I think this is probably the one that I was most excited about, because I saw people getting this. Spoiler alert, considering we didn't get a palette this month. I only have one more thing left. This is a big disappointment. Big disappointment. Man, that sucks. Alright, and then it looks like the last thing we have is a 5-piece brush set, which I do love brushes, don't get me wrong. You can tell all of these little things are brushes. So I have quite a bit of them, so I don't need any more. So this is fine, but I like getting Boxycharm because typically every month they have a palette, and I love palettes. There's like, I have a shelf up here, all of those are palettes. So I do enjoy my palettes, and I just want a palette. I don't know, I'm just really disappointed this month. Let me show you the brushes though. The basic brow brush right here. This is an eye shading is what they call it. I like that color. Then we have a pencil brush, which is just your basic pencil brush. We have a tapered blending brush, which you can never have too many of. And then we have a fine liner brush. So these are good. Like I wouldn't have been mad to get these, but it almost seems like this is one of the big ticket items, and that doesn't make me excited. They're from Lavish Brushes. I don't know if I mentioned that, probably not, but they're from Lavish. So let me look at that card. The Benefit Professional Primer, that was $32, which if you do like this product, it's a great, like, you get a full size, so that's wonderful. It's just that I'm not going to use it because I just don't use pore filling primers pretty much ever. I saw that some people were getting the hydrating version of this, and I would have totally tried that, but I didn't get that version, so this is $32. The Elemis Superfood Cleansing Foam, that one is also $32. The Iconic London, this is
$41.
Could we just take a moment of silence for that? $41 for an opened highlighter.
Open use highlighter.
I don't think so. I don't think that that's worth $41 in the slightest. The brush set is $29.99 for 5 brushes, which is not necessarily bad, but it's not ideal. I can go and get e.l.f. brushes, and I already have a lot of brushes, so I'm not super intrigued with this one. Makeup eraser, this retails for $22, which this is the thing that I'm honestly most excited about, and I already have one that I'm already in the process of using. And these things last for a while, so it's not like I'm going to be running out of it anytime soon. So this is just going to be like a backup, I guess. Maybe a gift. I don't know. I'm like really disappointed with this month. This sucks. I usually love my Boxycharms. At least I love like most of the things that are in there, or at least like 3 out of the 5. I'm excited about this. I was super excited about the illuminating drops, but not anymore. The cleansing foam, that's exciting, but it's a cleanser. So I mean, like, how exciting can a cleanser actually be, you know? Like, I love skincare, but this is something that you use and then you wash right off of your face. So it's not like it's going to be having, like, lasting effects on your face or skin. Well, didn't anticipate this to be as negative of a video as it was, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I'm probably going to leave a link down below that if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, you definitely can. Premium is an option, and I definitely have been intrigued to try the premium box, and especially after this one, I don't want to get a box like this again, because I saw the other premium boxes, they were getting like the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, even just like a random palette of a brand I've never tried. It would be amazing, but alas, that is not the case. But I will leave a link down below if you do for some reason want to sign up. go for it. What do you guys think? Did you guys get a Boxycharm this month? If so, what did you get? Did you get a palette? Did you get this box of nonsense? I don't know. Did your iconic London thing? Did you receive it open? Did you notice that there was caking of product around there? Or am I just unlucky? Because that might be the case too. I don't have the best luck. Let me know what you thought of this box. I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of at a loss for words because I didn't think that it was going to be this bad of a box. So, if you want to catch up with me on any socials or what, Instagram, Twitter, I have a TikTok now. Thanks, Mandy, for getting me super into TikTok now. I don't have a life anymore, which is wonderful. Not that I had one to begin with, but, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's any other ideas or videos that you'd like to see in the comments below. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye!